Hi. So this week we are working back in our daily slides on our English units. We are on Unit 6, and that is Legendary Journeys. You will need this book. It's one of your paperback books that goes with your supplies. You picked them up at the beginning of the year. So you'll need this along with your daily slides. If you do not have this book, you can access the book online. Let me show you how to do that before we get started with the assignment. So if you don't have the book, you're going to go to Stockton Unified Quick Links. Let me come over here. When you turn on your computer, you go to Quick Links automatically, but for me, I have to, it takes a little bit longer for me to get to the Quick Links. Sorry about that. So here are the Quick Links. You are going to go to Benchmark, and Benchmark is located, make sure you are in the K8 Quick Links, and Benchmark is located right here in the rainbow. When you click on that, you log in using your Google, and this book is actually assigned with this story, okay? So you'll be able to open it. To find our assignment for the week, what you're going to do is you're going to go into Google Classroom. You're going to go to the English, you're going to go to classwork, and you're going to click on the slides. Let me show you that. So if you go to Google Classroom, English, classwork, Unit 6, Week 1. On Monday and Tuesday, we are doing all of the Day 1 slides. That's slides 1 through 15. On Wednesday and Thursday, we are doing all of the Day 2 slides. And Day 2 slides are slides 17 through 29. So, and then Friday we're doing Day 3 if we have enough time. So the way the slides work, super easy peasy. You literally start with Day 1 and go into present mode. My screen is going to cut off parts of it, and also my face is on part of it. So you're literally going to read what I have to say and then do whatever is on the board. When you're done watching the video that's on the board and reading what I have to say, you go to the next slide. And I'll actually even tell you when it's time to hit play. Then you go to the next slide and read what I have to say. For example, on this slide, read the essential question on the board. We will revisit this question throughout the unit. Essential question: what inspires a quest? Legendary journey. I'm kind of excited about this. I'm especially excited about the writing assessment that we're going to do. So, again, literally read what I have to say and then read the board, and it'll tell you exactly what to say. For example, on slide number 9, you're supposed to have a discussion, and I give you sentence frames right here. Part of the sentence frames are cut off because of the size of the screen. You are expected to, let me get out of this mode. You are expected today to read The Legend of El Dorado, which is page 4, and the Edgar Allan Poe poem, which is page 5. On day 1, you're expected to read it. You're expected to respond to characterization. And again, read and respond. If you would like to follow along and listen to the story, you can also go to the Benchmark website. And then you are going to start the activity with me. I know that I've made lots and lots of videos, but I thought it'd be nice to listen to someone else. I told you guys before that these slides come from a group that I'm in, and we all work together. We traded videos. So this is someone else's video to try to find use all of our strategies for our vocabulary words and to find words that we do not understand, to try to figure out definitions for words that we do not understand. So you're going to follow along with her, and then you are going to do it on your own. And that's all you have to do for day 1. You're going to do the exact same thing on day 2. Literally go through and read exactly what it says, click on the image, and follow the link. And I go step by step through each and every one of these, so you have every single thing you need in this slideshow to be successful. The only thing you need is your book. And again, if you don't have your book, don't freak out, because where can you find your book? That's right, the K8 Quick Links in the Benchmark app. I hope this is helpful, and have a great day.